Hello and welcome to the demo on News and Events feature of TRADETIGER. In the latest version of TRADETIGER 2450, we have introduced a new feature, News and Events, which shall serve as one stop for all types of news, events, corporate actions, information on IPOs under one roof. TRADETIGER 2450 comes with a new tab called News and Events, which comprises of the following sections. All news. It gives all the latest news and updates across market. F&A. It offers expert analysis of the news on hand-picked stocks. Earnings Watch. It provides all the information on quarterly results with smart sorting options. Corporate Actions. It helps in tracking corporate actions of all the companies from a single window. Macro Events. Helps in tracking all the macro events happening across the entire market. And IPO, it's a one-stop shop for all the IPO action. Let us explore all the sections one by one now. All news section displays all the news of the day in a single screen. Here we can see the date and time of each news, respective stock or generic in case of a general news, stock movement and the headline of the news all under the same row. By default, data is sorted by time with an option to sort data by simply clicking over any of the columns. We have developed the news section in such a way that you will not require to visit any other website to view the detailed report. You can view the detailed report by simply clicking the headline of any of the news item. Clicking on the headline displays details of the headline on the same screen. Hence, you don't have to visit any other page or site to view the entire report. This screen also shows the last 5 news items on that particular stock. All you have to do is to click any of the news headlines to view the detailed story. Click the close or home button to return to the main screen. Similarly, click any of the headlines to view its detailed report without having to visit any other page or website. Let's speak about the filters now. You may choose to view news of the last 2 days or the last week by selecting the respective option from the drop-down menu. To check stock-specific news, click on the name of the desired stock from the drop-down menu or simply select My DP Stocks to limit news only to the stocks in your portfolio. Still not getting the news you're looking for? Well, simply type a keyword in the search box and let TRADETIGER find it for you. Please note, if you have selected today's news and then if you are trying to search something, TRADETIGER will be able to search only within the news for the day. For a broader search, please select last week's news and then insert the keyword in the search box. You may also click on the settings button to change the default display order or customization of fonts, etc. F&A stands for Fundamental News and Analysis. This section provides an exclusive access to our experts' views on the latest news on hand-picked stocks, their predictions, and much more. Here is the day's report by our experts along with the timestamps. This section is updated dynamically by our experts, so don't forget to track it. Earnings Watch displays the earnings report of all the stocks on a single screen. Okay, since there were no earnings today, the screen is blank. So let us change the interval from today's earning to all earnings. So here is a list of all the earnings report for the current quarter. By default, data is sorted by market capital with an option to sort data by simply clicking over any of the columns. Let us now explore the filter options that we have on the earnings screen. You may select last week to see all the results declared in the last week, or you can also select next week to see all the results expected in the coming week. You may also select all earnings to see a wholesome earnings report of the entire season on a single screen. Select My DP Stocks to see the earnings report of the stocks in your portfolio, or select a specific stock to see its earnings report. You can also filter to see only either the awaited results or the declared results on the screen. You can also change the display type by Show First Consolidated and then Stand Alone. This feature will display all the consolidated results first, followed by the standalone results. Show both consolidated and standalone. This feature will display both consolidated and standalone results in the same row. Show consolidated. This feature will display only the consolidated results. Show standalone. This feature will display only the standalone results. Show first standalone and then consolidated. This will display all the standalone results first, followed by the consolidated results. You may change the current quarter to view data of other quarters or apply some smart filters like top performer by profit. This will sort the list based on highest percentage change in the quarter. Worst performer by loss. This will sort the list based on highest percentage loss in the current quarter. Positive turnaround in profit. This will list all the stocks that have reported a negative performance in the previous quarter but have turned positive in the current quarter. Negative turnaround in loss. This will list all the stocks which have reported a positive performance in the previous quarter but have turned into negative in the current quarter. Click on corporate actions to see all the action across the market and prevent your portfolio from unforeseen market volatilities. You may filter corporate actions by the stocks in your portfolio or by a specific stock. You may also filter by specific action like bonus, dividend or time frame such as action in the last 7, 30 or 90 days or in the next 7 days in order to track the future actions. Macro events like IIP, inflation, etc. can be seen in the macro events section. Catch all the action from the IPO space in the IPO section. The IPO section is further categorized into 4 subsections: upcoming IPOs, open now, new listing, and to be listed IPOs. Upcoming IPOs will display all the IPOs that are going to be listed in the near future. New listings will display the recently listed IPOs along with their performances. And to be listed IPOs will display all the IPOs which are ready for listing in the near future. That's all, friends, in the demo on news and events section of the latest version of TRADETIGER. TRADETIGER has launched many more exciting features recently. Hope you are aware of all these features. If not, simply log on to www.youtube.com and visit the TRADETIGER channel to explore these features. You may also subscribe to the TRADETIGER channel in order to receive a regular update on all the new features. We thank you for watching this demo and wish you a very happy trading.